Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. Yeah! I'm gonna show you.
The rain guards are installed on the left side of the car. This is a 2005 Toyota Matrix, and it looks pretty good. Got the driver's side and rear passenger side all done, and he's working on the right side of the car right now, and I'm gonna head over to the other side of the car and see how it's going, show you how he's installing those. What he's doing here is running the window up and down. He's tucked the window trim back up inside there and sprayed it with a little soap water so it'll slip up in there easier. And he's going to have to leave the windows up for a couple of days so the adhesive can cure and stick to the inside of the window frame.
The instructions that came with it were not very helpful. But they tried to make it look super simple. And this is the right way to do it. They showed us the fast way. You see.
And I've installed these a couple of times and done it the fast way, where you stick it right up into the crease where the window goes. Call it good. Now that he's got the window frame all wiped out, cleaned out, you can go ahead and peel the adhesive tape off of the rain guard. And then go ahead, stick it up, tuck it up, stick it up into the window here. And then by pushing the rubber window trim up in behind it, that'll help hold it in place.
It's gonna be popped out like that.
And that's pretty much it.
That's the deliberate design.
He put a little bit more work into it than I would have done, but hey, it's his car, and I think what he's doing will work just fine.
I need my tool.
He found his tool and got the rubber trim tucked up in there and the window up. And here's some notes that were on the packaging. You can stop and read this if you'd like. And we ordered these from WeatherTech, designed in America and made in Germany.